Pelajaran nomor 61. Saudara pendengar, hari ini kita akan mempelajari beberapa kata tanya baru. Yang pertama ialah who, artinya siapa. Coba dengarkan.
Oh, this apple looks nice. It looks delicious. I'll just leave it here for a minute.
Someone's eating Don's apple. Who? Who's eating Don's apple?
Now, where's that apple? Hey, my apple. Who took my apple? Who ate my apple?
Siapa yang makan apelnya?
Who ate my apple?
Hi, Don. I've just had an apple. It was delicious. Who left it here?
Ewan, you ate my apple.
Your apple? Oh, Don, I'm sorry. Was it your apple? I didn't know.
Sekarang, coba dengarkan beberapa pertanyaan dengan kata who.
Who ate my apple? Who took my apple? Who's eating my apple? Who put this apple here? Who bought this delicious apple?
Dan berikut ini, jawaban atas pertanyaan seperti tadi.
Who ate my apple?
I ate your apple.
Ewan ate my apple.
Who bought that apple?
I bought it.
Don bought the apple.
Who has eaten my apple?
I've eaten your apple.
Ewan's eaten my apple.
Untuk mengubah kalimat berita menjadi pertanyaan, kita ganti kata pertamanya.
I ate the apple.
Who ate the apple? Who ate the apple?
Kata tanya yang dipakai ialah
Who? Who? Who ate the apple?
Sekarang, mari kita berlatih. Ulangilah pertanyaan berikut sesudah Don.
Who ate the apple? Who is eating my apple? Who bought this apple? Who took the apple? Who has seen my apple? Someone's knocking at the door.
Someone wants to come in.
Someone's making a lot of noise.
Someone's going to break the door down.
Ada orang mengetuk pintu. Untuk bertanya siapa yang sedang mengetuk pintu, kita pakai kata who.
Someone's knocking at the door.
Who's knocking at the door?
I don't know.
Well, let's open it.
Ewan, who locked the door?
I don't know.
Well, someone locked the door. Who locked the door?
Saudara pendengar, mari kita berlatih membuat pertanyaan dengan kata who. Saudara akan mendengar suatu kalimat,
Someone's knocking.
dan saudara hendaknya bertanya,
Who's knocking?
jadi gantilah kata someone dengan who. Demikian juga kalimat
Someone's coming.
menjadi,
Who's coming?
nah, sekarang giliran saudara mengubah kalimat-kalimat berikut menjadi pertanyaan seperti tadi. Siap?
Someone wants to come in. Someone closed the door. Someone locked the door. Someone's knocking at the door. Someone's standing outside. Someone's making a noise.
Siapakah gerangan yang membuat keributan itu? Don akan bertanya, siapa di situ?
Who is it?
Open this door, somebody, please.
I can't hear you. Who is it?
It's me. Open the door. Who locked the door?
I don't know. Did you lock it, Ewan?
I didn't lock it.
Well, I didn't lock it.
Well, someone locked it. Who locked it?
Saudara pendengar, ada dua jenis pertanyaan dengan kata who. Berikut ini beberapa contoh dari jenis pertama.
Who lives here?
Who lives next door?
Who owns this house?
Who's listening to the radio?
Who turned the radio on?
Who switched the light off?
Who likes tea?
Who likes coffee?
Nah, sekarang pertanyaan jenis kedua dengan kata who. Coba dengarkan.
Chris liked someone.
Untuk mengetahui siapa yang disukai Chris, kita bertanya,
Who does Chris like? Who does Chris like?
jadi pertanyaan itu ialah who diikuti bentuk tanya kata kerja.
Does Chris like? Who does Chris like? Who does Chris like?
Sekarang, coba dengarkan pertanyaan jenis pertama yang berarti siapa yang suka pada Chris?
Who likes Chris?
Dan pertanyaan jenis kedua yang berarti siapa yang disukai oleh Chris?
Who does Chris like?
Dan jawabannya ialah,
Chris likes Lucia.
coba dengarkan beberapa contoh lagi yang termasuk jenis kedua.
Who does Chris see every day? Who does Chris meet at uni? Who did he visit in Indonesia? Who did he meet in Indonesia? Who will he see next week? Who has he seen so far?
Nah, sekarang coba ucapkan sesudah Bert. Siap, saudara-saudara?
Who does Chris like? Who does he see every day? Who'll he meet next week? Who's he seen so far? Who did he visit in Indonesia? Who did he meet in Indonesia? Who'll he see next week?
Baiklah, saudara pendengar. Berikut ini sebuah latihan yang berbeda. Coba dengarkan.
Chris is visiting someone.
Who's he visiting?
Don and Jane are visiting someone.
Who are they visiting?
Chris menyukai seseorang. Untuk mengetahui siapa orang itu, saudara bertanya,
Who does he like?
dalam latihan berikut, saudara akan mendengar kalimat yang mulai dengan kata someone. Sesudah setiap kalimat, saudara hendaknya mengajukan pertanyaan yang tepat. Coba ikuti dulu contoh berikut.
Chris likes someone.
Dan saudara hendaknya bertanya,
Who does he like?
kemudian ulangilah pertanyaan yang betul sesudah Bert. Siap, saudara-saudara?
Chris knows someone.
Who does he know?
Chris and Ewan are visiting someone.
Who are they visiting?
Chris will meet someone.
Who'll he meet?
Chris and Ewan visited someone yesterday.
Who did they visit?
Saudara pendengar, sekarang coba dengarkan beberapa contoh dengan kata kerja yang terdiri dari dua bagian. Misalnya, talk to, listen to, go with, wait for.
He's talking to someone.
Who's he talking to?
He's waiting for someone.
Who's he waiting for?
Coba saudara ucapkan sesudah Don.
Who's he talking to? Who are they waiting for? Who did he go with to the cinema? Who've they been listening to?
Baiklah. Berikut ini sebuah pertanyaan dengan kata go out with. Artinya, keluar dengan. Bentuk lampaunya ialah went out with. Coba saudara ajukan pertanyaannya.
Iwan went out with someone yesterday.
Who did he go out with yesterday?
Coba ucapkan lagi sesudah Bert.
Who did he go out with yesterday?
Dan coba dengarkan jawabannya.
I don't know. Iwan, who did you go out with yesterday?
I went out with Helen yesterday.
Saudara pendengar, kata whose artinya kepunyaan siapa. Coba dengarkan.
Whose books are these? Whose socks are these? Whose hat is this? Whose newspaper is that? Whose glasses are those? Whose cassettes are these?
Coba ucapkan pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi sesudah Margaret. Kemudian, dengarkan jawabannya.
Whose books are these?
They're Helen's books. They're Helen's.
Whose socks are these?
They're Chris's socks. They're Chris's.
Whose hat's this?
It's Jane's.
Whose newspaper's that?
It's Iwan's.
Whose glasses are these?
They're Don's.
Whose cassettes are these?
They're Chris's.
Baiklah. Apakah saudara perhatikan jawaban yang singkat tadi? Pertanyaan seperti
Whose cassettes are these?
dapat kita jawab dengan
They're Chris's cassettes.
tetapi biasanya kita menjawab dengan singkat.
They're Chris's.
Nah, sekarang mari kita berlatih menjawab pertanyaan seperti tadi. Margaret dan Bert akan mengajukan pertanyaannya, dan kalau Margaret bertanya, misalnya,
Whose newspaper's this?
saudara hendaknya menjawab,
It's Bert's.
dan kalau Bert yang bertanya, saudara hendaknya menjawab,
It's Margaret's.
siap saudara-saudara?
Whose newspaper's this?
Apakah tadi saudara mengatakan, it's Bert's? Coba sebuah contoh lagi.
Whose books are these?
Apakah saudara menjawab, they're Margaret's? Nah, sekarang coba saudara lakukan latihan berikut.
Whose magazines are these?
Whose orange is this? Whose bag's this?
Whose tools are these?
Whose parcel's this?
Saudara pendengar, kata tanya lain yang akan kita pelajari ialah which, artinya yang mana. Don sedang bertanya-tanya dalam hatinya, kemeja yang mana akan dipakainya.
Which shirt'll I wear? The blue one or the striped one? Which shirt will I wear?
Sekarang dia bertanya-tanya, dasi yang mana yang akan dipakainya.
Which tie'll I wear? The brown one or the red one? Which tie will I wear?
Coba dengarkan beberapa pertanyaan lagi tentang pakaian.
Which shoes'll I wear? Which socks'll I wear? Which pair of trousers'll I wear? Which belt'll I wear?
Kata tanya tadi ialah,
Which? Which?
perhatikan bagaimana ucapan bunyi pada akhir kata tersebut.
Which? Which?
Dan sekarang coba ucapkan sesudah Don.
Which? Which? Which shirt? Which tie? Which shirt'll I wear? Which tie'll I wear?
Coba saudara dengarkan lagi pertanyaan tadi, tetapi kali ini dengan jawabannya.
Which shirt'll I wear? The blue one or the striped one?
I like the blue one. Wear the blue one.
Okay. Now, which tie'll I wear?
What about the batik one? Chris bought it for you in Indonesia, remember?
Oh, yes. Oh, I like that. Oh, I've got 2 batik ties. Which one'll I wear?
Well, which one do you like?
This one with traditional colours. Yes, I'll wear this one.
Baiklah, sekarang mari kita berlatih. Saudara akan mendengar sebuah pertanyaan, misalnya,
Which shirt will I wear?
dan saudara menanggapinya dengan bertanya kembali.
Which one do you like?
Kemudian, dengarkanlah jawabannya. Siap, saudara-saudara?
Which shirt'll I wear? I like the blue one. Which tie'll I wear? I like the batik one. Which coat'll I wear? I like the brown one. Which belt'll I wear? I like the brown one.
Saudara pendengar, sekarang kita akan mendengar percakapan antara 2 orang perempuan yang sudah lanjut umurnya. Mereka tinggal di muka rumah keluarga Scott dan termasuk tetangga yang selalu ingin tahu. Barangkali saudara mengenal beberapa orang yang bersifat demikian. Saat ini, kedua perempuan tua itu sedang melihat keluar jendela dan memperhatikan beberapa orang yang datang ke rumah keluarga Scott.
Who's that? Who? That man. Look, he's getting out of the car.
Which man do you mean?
The one in the yellow shirt.
That's Don. He's Jane's husband. And that's Chris. You know him.
Which one?
The one next to the car.
Oh, yes. And who's the girl with Chris?
That's Lucia. Her father owns a fruit shop, I think.
Does he? Which fruit shop?
The one down the road, in the shopping centre.
Which one? There are 2 fruit shops down there.
The big one, next to the cinema.
Oh, yes. A lot of people work in that shop. Which one's her father?
Guido.
Oh, yes. But of course he doesn't own the shop.
Well, who owns it then? Whose shop is it?
It's Guido's brother's shop. Look, there's Paul.
Paul? Whose boy's he? Is he Guido's son?
Yes, that's right. He's Lucia's brother.
And who's that? The old lady in the black dress.
That's Mama. She's Guido's mother.
I see.
Look, someone's coming up the path.
Who is it? Who's coming?
It's Guido, I think.
What does he want? Why is he coming into our garden?
Well, I don't know. Oh, dear. What's the matter? Who is it?
It's me, Guido.
Who is it? I can't hear you.
Guido.
Oh, Guido. Guido, what a surprise. How are you?
What do you want, Guido?
Mama wants to invite you to afternoon tea.
Afternoon tea? Well, that's lovely, Guido.
Well, isn't that nice? I had no idea.